Hi, this is David the Handle Guy from Handles Accessories, and today we're going to be talking about design elements that make handles special. And we're going to focus on three different designs: the Apollo, the Tapered Apollo, and the Hourglass. And I'll compare the three so you can see how subtle changes make a big difference to the look and feel. So as you see from the image, we've got three handles that we're going to talk about. The first one is the standard Apollo, which is the standard bar pull, if you like, and it's 23.5 inches long, 600, Apollo 600, and it's brushed down a steel finish all the way down, and it's what you can see thousands of standard bar pull. Its thickness is 1.25 inches or 32 millimeters. Now I'm just going to show you how some subtle changes to this handle will create a dramatically different look. Now I'll show you the Tapered Apollo. Now the Tapered Apollo, straight off you can see there's some differences there. First of all, the top is flared. It's 1.5 inches at the top as opposed to the 1.25 inches. And in the middle you can see it's tapered. So it's got a nice grip and it goes down to 1 inch in the middle, or 25 millimeters. Compare that to there and you can see straight away there's some subtle differences, and it gives it a bit of a different feel. It's more stylish. Now that's the Tapered Apollo in 600. Now I'll show you the Hourglass, which goes the next level. So here you can see the Hourglass, which has the same taper in the middle. It's flared at the top, has the same diamond at the top. The difference is now we've got the chrome ends and the chrome feet at both ends. And now you can see this takes it to a new level of design sophistication. So the Tapered Apollo has got that little bit of extra design elements as opposed to the standard bar pull Apollo. And this one just goes the next level. So I really like the Hourglass because I'm quite partial to the chrome ends and the chrome legs, as opposed to the Tapered Apollo, which has a lot of pluses going for it. And if you're not after the chrome finish, this is just a terrific handle because it's not as ostentatious. This one's probably, for some people, a bit more ostentatious, and one of the reasons why I like it. But this one here has got the design elements without going for the chrome finish. Anyway, we'll have a look at them now on the door so you can see the difference. So here you can see the Apollo 600, and it's a beautiful looking handle. Standard, bar pull, functional, does the job, looks good in this situation. Now we'll compare that to the Tapered Apollo. Here you can see the Tapered Apollo and how much difference it makes having that extra little bit of design element. And I quite like it, because if you're after something with just a little bit of something different without going over the top, the Tapered Apollo is just the right fit. Now we'll have a look at the Hourglass by comparison. Here you see the Hourglass, and it just takes things to the next level. So if you're after something that's just a little bit more of a design element, a bit more ostentatious, a bit more of a statement, the Hourglass is a beautiful handle. And the taper in the middle, the same with the Tapered Apollo, just gives it a nice look, a feel and grip, and it's just so inviting. All three handles are available in the 23.5 inch, obviously, which is what we have here, the 600, and they're also available in 450, which is 17.75 inches. So the Apollo, the Tapered Apollo, and of course the Hourglass are available in both sizes, and the Apollo is available in a range of sizes going right up to 6 foot tall, which is 1800 millimeters. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you've learned something and you're finding this of interest to you, please feel free to like the video, share it on social media, and if you've got any questions, feel free to ask them. I'll do my best to answer them in the comment section below. In the meantime, it's cheers from the Handle Guy.